Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video, we will show you how to manage them naturally: pigmentation and dark spots. Whether it is sunspots, age spots, freckles, sun damage, or melasma, skin pigmentation is a common issue. While imperfections can be beautiful, you cannot deny that if not appropriately addressed, those tiny brown spots adorning your cheeks or nose can become a real problem. Hyperpigmentation is usually harmless. However, it may also indicate an underlying medical condition. If you got these spots because you didn't take proper care of your skin, you can take steps to fade them. You can use natural methods instead of resorting to laser treatment. These home remedies will not help fade the pigmentation and spots completely. However, they can help improve their appearance and make them less apparent. These remedies take time to show results, so you need to be patient. If your pigmentation and spots are not caused by any medical issues, you may try these home remedies. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains polyphenols. These polyphenols may be beneficial for the skin. However, there is no scientific proof that it can manage pigmentation. People who have used ACV often found it beneficial in managing pigmentation and other skin issues. How to use. To use ACV for pigmentation and spots, mix a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and water in a container. Dip a cotton swab into the mixture and apply it all over the affected area. Leave it on for 3 minutes or until it dries completely. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Repeat 2 times daily. 2. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains an active ingredient called aloin that has skin lightening properties. How to use. Mix 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel and 1 teaspoon honey in a bowl. Let the mixture sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Apply it all over the affected area and let it dry. Wash your face with lukewarm water. 3. Green tea. Tyrosinase is an enzyme found in your body that is responsible for pigmentation. Green tea extracts have been found to inhibit mushroom tyrosinase, which may have a depigmenting effect. How to use. Steep a green tea bag in a cup of hot water and wait for it to cool down. Rub the tea bag on the affected area. Repeat this treatment 2 times daily. 4. Lemon. Lemon is a potent bleaching agent and has skin lightening properties. It is used in many skin lightening formulations, such as Luciderm, Meloderm, and Skin Bright. However, lemon juice can irritate sensitive skin, so do a patch test on your arm before using it. Also, make sure that you apply sunscreen after using this remedy because lemon juice can make your skin photosensitive. How to use. Mix a tablespoon of diluted lemon juice with a teaspoon of organic honey. Apply the mixture on the affected area and wait for 15 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. 5. Red onion. Red onion is often used in scar lightening creams. A study done on mushroom tyrosinase found that the skin of red onion contains ingredients with potential for skin whitening cosmetics. How to use. Take a slice of red onion and rub it on the affected area. Let it stay for 10 minutes and then wash it off. Repeat the treatment 2 times daily. 6. Licorice extract. Licorice contains glabridin, a polyphenolic flavonoid that helps prevent UV-induced pigmentation and has an anti-inflammatory effect. However, further studies are required to establish the depigmenting property. How to use. Place the roots into a clean canning jar, filling it approximately 2/3 full. Cover the licorice root with the water. Let the liquid cool down and strain it into a spray bottle. Apply it as a mist twice daily. Note: store the licorice extract in the refrigerator and use it within 8 to 10 days. 7. Milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which is often used in chemical peels to brighten and whiten skin. It has also been found that lactic acid can be used to treat melasma. How to use. Apply fresh milk with a cotton swab on the affected area and let it dry. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Do this 2 times daily. 8. Tomato. Tomato contains lycopene that can reduce the long-term effects of photodamage. Since spots and pigmentation are also long-term consequences of photodamage, tomato may help lighten them. How to use. Slice a tomato and rub it on the spots. Let it dry, then wash it off with lukewarm water. Do this 2 times daily. 10. Orange peel. Orange peel extracts can reduce melanin deposits, fade dark spots, and brighten your skin. The study was done on humans, and none of the subjects developed any skin irritation. How to use. You can dry and powder orange peels, mix it with a teaspoon of diluted lemon juice and honey, and apply it as a face mask. Use the face mask 3 times a week. According to some people who have done this treatment, the results are impressive and efficient. Do it and share your opinion with us. When you use this homemade recipe, you can help to make them less. If you find this video useful, please press like button, and share with your friends. Subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching us.